In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design icons in Figma from scratch. Open your design to the file where you want to build your icon set. And let's set up a clean foundation first. Press F to create a new frame and set its size to 24 by 24 pixels. This is a common UI icon dimension, so it helps your work fit standard interfaces. Turn on a layout grid and set it to a 1 pixel grid to make alignment and spacing effortless. Working at this small size rewards precision, and the grid will keep everything crisp. Start by defining key shapes to anchor your proportions. Use the basic shape tools to block in your idea. Draw a rectangle and center it within the frame. Then set its outer stroke to 0.2 px. Next, draw a circle, center it as well, and give it the same 0.2 px outer stroke. Finally, create a square, center it, and apply a 0.2 px outer stroke. Think of these thin strokes as lightweight guides that help you visualize sizing and balance without overpowering the canvas. Now move into drawing with intent. Switch to the pen tool by pressing P. As you plot points, hold Shift to constrain to straight lines or 45-degree angles for clean, repeatable geometry. Fewer, smarter points will produce smoother curves and make edits easier later. Keep your visual language consistent. For most UI icons, aim for a stroke weight around 2 px and stick to it across the icon to avoid visual noise. If you are mixing shapes and paths, make sure their strokes match so nothing looks accidental. When you need complexity, use Boolean operations. Combine shapes to add volumes, subtract to create cutouts, or intersect to keep only overlapping areas. For instance, use subtract to punch holes for spokes in a gear icon. These operations let you sculpt forms quickly while staying editable. Refine your forms by rounding corners where appropriate. Even a subtle radius can give your icon a modern, friendly feel. Zoom in to check for kinks or uneven angles and adjust handles for smooth transitions. Once you are satisfied, finalize your vectors. Select everything. Choose Outline Stroke with Ctrl or CMD plus Shift plus O, then flatten with Ctrl or CMD plus E to produce a single clean vector path that's easy to hand off and scale. Turn your finished icon into a reusable master component using Ctrl or CMD plus Alt or Option plus K. Organize it into component sets with variants for sizes like 24 by 24 and 32 by 32, or styles like solid and outline. When you are ready to share, export as SVG for development, PNG for bitmaps, or PDF for print. Thanks for watching.